Wiring up the M57 seems to be a pretty straightforward job. So in this video we're going to try and run through it. This is the main ECU connector. So we're going to hook that up to the Bosch ECU here. Then you have this line to the fuel pump, power to the ECU from the main relay, not from the battery, ground. Then we have another body ground. This is a body loom connector which we're not going to be using, so I'm going to try and pull that off so we don't confuse anything. Body ground, this goes straight into throttle pedal. First try, amazing. Then you have OBD and CAN bus. That is it. Now that that's put aside, this is the transmission loom, which I'm going to try and lay out. I will get a tripod in the next video. Alright, so let's just hook this up. ECU done. ECU. Seen so many of these connectors at my first job that if I don't get it right in the first try, there has to be something wrong. Alright, now we have, this is the CAN bus line with the terminating resistor installed. So we will check and hope that that resistance is as per spec. This is an additional CAN bus line. This goes to the shifter. So should be this way. Done. This plug to the gearbox. These are additional CAN inputs, outputs, time delay, relay, diagnostic port for the gearbox. What is this? I'm gonna have to check what it is. Not sure what that is, we'll check. But fairly straightforward. Okay, this is the wiring on the car as it is. We've hooked up a fuel pump. It's a temporary, just to get this started. Fuel pump, fuel filter, feed connected to the fuel pump. This is our return. Again, this is temporary. We'll be changing these to nylon hoses. These are the main relay, fuse box. This is what's going to be used to power up the ECU. This is unused. This is power to the main relay and our battery connection, battery ground. So we should have it started up soon unless we've done something terribly wrong. Okay, pins number 2, 3, 4 or main from the main relay. Okay, powering the ECU. So I'm taking it from this is power from the car to the main relay, from constant 12 volts to the main relay to the fuse box 1, 2, 3, 1. Sorry, this one, red and blue, the blue stripe, that comes into this harness. So pins number 1, 2. On this it is pin number 4, 6, 234. Yeah, basically pins number 234 are what we are now connecting to our main ECU power. Next we are looking at starter and ground. Alright, everything's wired up. Fuel pump is on. It's a bit of a mess wiring. This is just a test start. Want to go and start? My little hand throttle. Okay, असल भाई एक मिनट प्लीज. Off. Superb. असल भाई. First start. It's a little bit of Frankenstein swap. We don't have a radiator, we don't have anything connected, no intercooler, the turbo is not fired up, but it runs.